In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database style system in ClickUp using lists and table view. This approach gives you a clean spreadsheet-like way to organize information, even though ClickUp doesn't have a traditional database feature. By the end, you'll have a simple, flexible setup you can use for anything from tracking tasks to managing inventory or clients. We'll start by creating a list, which will act as a container for your data. In the left sidebar, click the plus New List button. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Think about the type of information you'll store here and name it accordingly. Once you're happy with the name, click Create List. That gives you a dedicated space to build your database-style table. Next, switch the list to a table layout. Click plus View, choose Table, and then click Add View. This turns your list into a grid that's easy to scan and update. You'll see rows and columns just like a spreadsheet, which makes it great for structured data and consistent input. Now let's add the columns you need, which in ClickUp are called custom fields. Click Add Column, then choose the field types that match your data, such as text, number, date, or drop-down. Pick types that will keep your entries consistent. For example, use text for names or notes, number for quantities or budgets, date for timelines or due dates, and drop down for statuses or categories. A quick tip: try to plan your columns so each one has a single clear purpose. That keeps your data clean and easy to sort or filter later. With your columns in place, it's time to add the data. Each row represents one item in your system, one task, one client, one product, or whatever you're tracking. Click into a cell and type your values, moving across the row to fill in the fields. Treat it like a spreadsheet. Keep entries consistent, use the right field types, and avoid mixing different kinds of information in the same column. If you realize you missed something, you can always add another column and keep going. And that's how you create a database-style system in ClickUp. ClickUp doesn't have a database like Notion, so we're using a list with table view to create a database-style system. Quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical ClickUp tutorials.